Welcome to Cooking on the Fly. This is week 2 of Cooking the Rainbow. Today we're on orange. I have some wild-caught sockeye salmon, carrots, peaches, nectarines, orange, and a sweet potato. This is the pan I'll be using. I'm going to grease the bottom of it here. I'm just going to leave that butter in there for now. Got my salmon here. Now I prefer to use fresh salmon. This is frozen because I didn't want to buy farm-raised salmon. It's much healthier to eat wild-caught salmon. There are more omega-3s, which is really the reason why you want to eat this fish. And there are less contaminants. So today I got the frozen. I'm going to thaw it. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to cut the carrots. I'm going to take my pan and put it in the oven. The oven's already preheated to 400 degrees, just so I can melt this butter a little bit. There we go. I'm just going to take this out. Got my salmon here. I'm going to put it scale side down right in this butter. And I'm going to put the carrots right in there with it. Got my sweet potato. I'm just going to cut this up. I'm going to put these in the pan. I'm going to take a little bit more butter. That will save me from using any oil and put it right there. Now the sweet potatoes I normally buy are more of an orange color inside. You can see this one is not. That's because they didn't have it in organic. So I'm going to spicy it up to go with our orange theme. I have some turmeric. Turmeric is really great at helping manage inflammation. So I like to keep it around. Got my dish here. I'm getting ready to put it in the oven at 400 degrees. Now I'm just going to keep an eye on it and see. Not sure how long I'm going to cook this. At least 30 minutes. So the fish has been cooking for about 25 minutes. I'm going to check it right now. I'm going to cut my nectarine. And my orange. Got my plate ready. Now I'm ready to plate my fish. Got my salt. A little bit of garlic. And there we have it. So what are the benefits of orange foods? Well, you have oranges, mangoes, sweet potatoes, carrots, pumpkin, cantaloupe, These have a lot of vitamin A, you're getting vitamin E, you're getting vitamin C to help your immune system, healthy skin, healthy heart. So it's really to your advantage to eat the rainbow.